Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Learn with Dr. G. That's me. Today, I'm really excited because we're going to do the second part to our Wonder Woman Python coding experience. I'm really excited about this one. If you missed my live stream on part 1 of the Wonder Woman Python lessons, don't worry, it's within this playlist. Wherever you're watching this, you should be able to go to the previous video and see it there. So you're not behind. Don't worry. You can go watch that one first if you need to. And if you don't want to and you want to just do this one, that works too, because we're basically here doing this one. If you want to follow along, make sure that you head over to aka.ms/learnwithdrg/Wonder Woman, and you will find the learning paths there and be able to follow along with instructions and more explanation for everything we're going to do today. And if you haven't set up your local environment with Visual Studio Code and Python yet, I highly recommend that you head over to aka.ms/learn on VS Code, where you will find a Python pack for Visual Studio Code that you can download, which will install Visual Studio Code, the Python extension, Python, and everything that you'll need. Or if you already have Visual Studio Code, just make sure you install the Python extension. So what we're going to do today is go through this learning path, which again, you can find at aka.ms/learnwithdrg/Wonder Woman. Here you'll find this learning path. We've already done the first one, but now we're going to be doing this second one here. The which Wonder Woman 1984 character are you most like? So far, all I've done is open up my Wonder Woman folder, created a new folder called Character Quiz, and created a file called quiz.py. This is a Python file. So to make sure that our Python file is working, I'm going to go ahead and do a print statement. We're going to print hello Themyscira, and we're going to click on this play button to see if it works. Awesome. We can see down here that the print statement printed out. Looks like we're ready to go. So before we get started, I want to make sure that you have a clear understanding of some of the Python commands that we're going to be using today. First of all, something that's very useful is called comments. This is an example of a comment. To create a comment in Python, you typically use this hashtag or # here at the front. This indicates to the computer that you don't want the computer to read that entire line, that you want it to skip that line to continue to find code. This line is mainly just for humans to read to know what's going on. Next are variables. Notice that we include a comment above the variable to let us know what the variable is going to be used for or what it represents. In this case, our variable name is year, and our variable value is 1984. While variables in Python do have types in some way, for example, this is an integer type, 1984 is an integer, we don't need to specify the type ahead of time. And something else that's going to be very useful for our quiz is to be able to print the value of variables. So as we go through our quiz, we're going to be keeping track of certain values and storing those in variables. And at the end, we'll want to print what's in that variable. So here you can see that we have a print statement just like before. And this time we are saying that we want to include right here between these two curly braces, the variable value year. So it will print out 1984. Let's go ahead and test that out. The year is 1984, ... Looks like it's working. Another thing you can do is manipulate variables. So for example, we could modify the year by adding 36 to it and then reprint it out again. So now first it says the year is 1984, and then it says the year is now 2020. And finally, the last thing that's going to be very, very important for this quiz building exercise is called conditional statements. Conditional statements are typically called if statements or if then else or if else statements. All of them are pretty much the same. Basically, there is one condition if year equals 1984. This is different from when we said year equals 1984. This is called assignment here on line 6, whereas down here, this is called a comparison or a conditional. This is a comparison statement. So year equals 1984 is asking a question. If the year is 1984, then do these things. Otherwise, if the year is 2020, do these things. So this will check both of them. If year 1984, it'll print this. Then separately, it'll check if year 2020, it'll print this. So we can go ahead and test that out. This time it says I left you a voicemail because we did change the year by 36, but we can always subtract out that 36 again just to do this quick test. Now we see that it says I left a message on your answering machine because we've subtracted out 36, making it 1984 again. Okay, so those are just some basic commands. Again, head over to aka.ms/learnwithdrg/Wonder Woman if you want to read a little bit more about each of those. But we're going to go ahead and get started with our quiz now. So we have a couple of questions that we've pre-selected for you, but you could feel free to be creative on your own. These are the 5 questions that we want to ask to determine which character from Wonder Woman 1984 the person taking this quiz is most like. So we're going to ask, how would you prefer to spend your evening? What's your dream job? What's more important? What's your favorite decade? And what's your favorite way of travel? We're going to use the answers to these questions to determine if you're more like Diana/Wonder Woman, Barbara, Steve, or Max. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of my practice code because this is where I want to write all of my final code. The first thing I want to do is ask the candidate a question. We're going to save the answer to this question in a variable called activity. So in this case, we're going to use the Python function input, which will ask the user a question, whatever is passed in as the parameter, and it'll wait for a response. And once the user puts in a response and clicks enter, then the value of that response will get saved in activity. Then we're going to print out whatever the user just responded with. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to run this, and we can see that it asks me here in the terminal, how would you like to spend your evening? Reading a book or attending a party, A or B? And we can see if I type in A and push enter, it says you chose A, you chose activity. We could try this again, and we could see that if I typed in puppy, it would say you chose puppy. So this doesn't ensure that you're choosing one of the responses. It's literally just printing out this string here, saving the value of what the user input back into activity, and then reprinting it out. For now, we can make an assumption that the user is going to follow the rules and type either A or B. So in that case, we can add a conditional statement. If activity was A, then we can print nice choice. Let's go ahead and test this out. So now if we type A down here in the terminal, it says nice choice. If we try this again and type B, it just says you chose B, and it does not print this nice choice bit. So you can start to see how we're going to collect all of the answers to the 5 questions that we're going to ask. So let's do the same thing for choice B. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and change this to B and say something like sounds fun. And I'm going to go ahead and add a print or a comment here. Perfect. So let's test this again. So if we type A, it says nice choice. And if we type B, it says sounds fun. But this is kind of silly, right? If we're assuming that our users are either going to choose A or B, then I don't really need to check if they chose B if I already know they didn't choose A, right? So think about this. If we assume that our users are going to either type A or B, and they didn't choose A, which means we didn't print nice choice, then I should just be able to print sounds good. Now, we can't just do this, though, because this has no conditional associated with it. And so if we were to do this and type B, then it's going to print sounds fun, which is what we want. But if we were to do it again and type A, it's going to print all of them. You chose A, nice choice, and sounds fun. Because the conditional was true here for A, so it went in and did this, and then it came out and did this. We don't want it to do that. So that's where the else comes in. We can do something like this. If the activity was A, then we print nice choice. Else, so if it's not A, we print sounds fun. Let's go ahead and give this a test. So if it's A, we print you chose A and nice choice, but not sounds fun. And if it's B, you chose B and sounds fun. And Just notice that if we were to type anything else in, like puppy, it will say sounds fun because we are assuming that they're only going to choose A or B. So why don't we catch that? So why don't we do something like if activity equals B, then print sounds fun. Oops. Else print maybe something like you must type A or B. Let's just say you like to read. Something like that. Okay. Oops. All right. So now we have if the activity is A, print nice choice. If the activity is B, print sounds fun. Otherwise, you must type A or B. Seems right. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right. So if A, oh, wait a minute. You chose A, nice choice. You must type A or B. Oh, well, let's go ahead and test B just in case. Okay, so that one didn't print you must type A or B. So it must be a problem with the A part. So this brings in the if else statement. So in Python, it's like this, elif. Without that, what we're saying is if A, then print nice choice. Then we're separately saying if B, print sounds fun. If it's not B, print this. So that means that if we did type in A, it's going to print this with A. Then it's going to come in here and say, yes, it was A, print nice choice. Then it's going to come in here and say, oh, it's not B. I'm going to go to my else and print you must type A or B. That's not right. What we want it to do is use this elif to have it say, did you type A? Yes. Great. Print nice choice. Then skip this and skip this because we already found one. If you type B, then it wasn't this, so skip this. Come in here, it is this, so print sounds fun. Skip this because we already found one. And if you type anything else, then we come in here, it's not A, so we skip print nice choice. We come in here, it's not B, so we skip print sounds fun. We do come in here and we print this. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. If we type A, you chose A, nice choice. If we type B, you chose B, sounds fun. And if we type C, you chose C, you must type A or B. Let's just say you like to read. Awesome. So I think we have the general structure. We want to do this for each of our questions. So we want to ask a question. We don't really need to say which one they chose. I'm going to go ahead and take that part out. We just want to ask a question, save their answer in this activity variable, and then check to see what the variable is and print it out. I'm going to remove that comment and I'm going to change it to check which activity the user chose. But that's tricky because if somebody did type C or puppy, activity is now C or puppy, not A, which is the like to read one. So we do want to come in here and say activity equals A to make sure that we are assigning that variable the value A with the assumption that we're making that they just like to read. Okay, so let's do this for each of our questions now. So we want to copy and paste this 5 times. Or 4 times so that there are 5 copies of it. About their favorite activity. And then let's ask the question. The next question that we want to ask is, what is your dream job? Is it curator at the Smithsonian or running a business? So we can go ahead and change that. About dream job. And then let's go ahead and create a new variable called job that will keep track of the job choice that they made. And this is job. You want to be careful. You want to make sure that you've made all of the changes. And this one again, let's say you want to be a curator. All right. So I think we've made all of the changes we need to make. We've asked the candidate a question about their dream job. We've changed the variable to job. So we still have activity up here, keeping track of the activity. And now we have job here to keep track of the job. We're asking a new question, what's your dream job? Then we're going to check which job the user chose. A is for the curator, nice choice. B is for the running a business, sounds fun. And otherwise you must type A or B. Let's just say you want to be curator and job equals A. We're going to do this for the next 3 questions. So now we're going to ask what is more important about values. Value. Let's change this to value. 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 And then let's just say you like money. Okay. Next question is your favorite decade. So let's call this decade. About their favorite decade. And you like 1910s. All right. And our last question is, how do you like to travel? About travel. And let's just call this one, travel. And then let's just say you like to drive. All right. So I think this is all done. Let's go ahead and test it out. So how would you like to spend your evening? I say reading a book. Nice choice. What's your dream job? Ooh, I'm going to say running a business. What's more important? Love. What's your favorite decade? Ooh, 1980s. What's your favorite way to travel? I love to drive. Awesome. So it seems like when we did A, we got nice choice. So that's good. When we do B, we have sounds fun. So it looks like we got all of those correct. Great. Now that you know that those are correct, you could go in and make these printouts a little bit more interesting. I like to keep them consistent throughout when I'm first doing this, so then that way I can test it out. But by the end of this, all we have are 5 variables that keep track of our favorite activity, job, value, decade, and form of travel. But we haven't actually said who that makes you most like, right? So remember, we have 4 characters that we are predicting which one you're most like. We have Diana, Steve, Max, and Barbara. The way that we're going to build this quiz is that for each answer choice you make, we add points to one of the characters or one or more of the characters. So for example, if you like to read more than attend a party, then you might be more like Diana and Barbara. But if you like to go to a party more than you like to read, then you might be more like Steve and Max. So we're going to create a new conditional statement. If the activity variable, so that's the one that we created all the way up here, and remember, it's either A or B, and even if they chose something else, we're going to assign it to be A. So if the activity variable value is A, then we're going to say that you are a little bit more like Diana and a little bit more like Barbara. And if it's B, we're going to say you're a little bit more like Max and a little bit more like Steve. This right here is we're taking this variable, Diana like, and we're saying that we want its new value to be what its old value was, in this case, 0, plus 1. So by the end of this, our new value for Diana-like would be 1 if the person chose A. We can do this for all of our variables. For example, with our job choice, if you preferred working at the Smithsonian, then you might be more like Diana and Barbara. And if you preferred working at the Smithsonian, you're definitely not like Steve. And we're going to subtract a point from the Steve-like variable because you're like definitely not like Steve. And if you prefer to run a business, then you are a lot like Max. We can do the same thing for our value, money or love. So if you chose money, you're definitely not like Diana. So we're going to subtract a point. But you are like Max, so we're going to add a point. And if you chose love, then you were like Diana, Steve, and Barbara. But with Steve, you're very much like Steve. For our decade, we're going to do the same. If you like the 1910s, then you're like Steve and Diana. And if you like the 1980s, then you're like Max and Barbara. And finally, we can do it for our mode of transportation. If you like to drive, you're like Max and Barbara. And if you like to fly, you're like Diana and Steve. I can't wait to see this movie to see how these 5 questions impact how you're more like one of these 4 characters. So before we continue, I just want to print out each of these 4 variables to see where we are. So let's go ahead and run this. And again, I'm going to choose reading a book. I'm going to do running a business. I'm going to do love, the 1980s, and driving. So for Diana, I have 2 points for, for Diana, for Barbara, for Max, and for Steve. For Barbara, I have 3 points. For Max, I have 5 points. And for Diana, I have 2 points. Steve. So I didn't print those correctly. But we can run that again and do it again. So we've got reading a book, running a business, love, 1980s, and driving. There we go. So it would seem like I'm most like Max. We do know which answers would get us to be most like Diana. So we could run that again. And here we could say reading a book. Here we could say curator at the Smithsonian, love, the 1980s. Oh, was 1980s right? I think that was, no, 1980s. It should have been 1910s. That's okay. And then we could do flying, and we can see that we are actually most like Diana because I chose 1980s on accident. So we can run that again and do reading a book, curator, 1910s, and flying. And now we're most like Diana. So we can see that we're going to get one that's the most. And we did a little bit of math on the side and just made sure that whatever combination of answers that you got, basically, if you got 6 or more with Diana right off the bat, then you're definitely Diana. If you got 6 or more like Steve, 6 or more points, then you're like Steve. If you got 6 or more like Barbara, then you're like Barbara. And if you didn't get 6 or more on either of those 3, then you're like Max. So we could run this again. And I'm going to choose the ones that are for me, B, and A. And we can see I'm most like Max, which makes sense. We could run this again and double check the Diana one. So A, B, A, and B, and we're most like Wonder Woman because Diana got 6. And we could run this again and doing it with the one for Barbara, most like Barbara because Barbara had 6. So this is a very, very simplified version of how you might build a personality quiz or a character likeness quiz or something like that. Basically, what you have is a series of questions and collecting that input, followed by assigning points to the quality or value or character or something based on the answer choices, followed by a way of determining which one of those has the highest number. Now, there's a number of ways that you could do this and build this, and I want to see the different ways that you engage with this code. So for example, oftentimes when we see things that are repeated, it means that we can have a loop. One thing that I might do is to create an array of all of the questions. So I could put in each of these questions. Actually, this is going to get so long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some variables. So this is called question 1 equals question 2 equals. I just copied that one. Let's go ahead and take this one out. I like my code to be a little bit clean. Oops. Let's grab this one again, copy. All right. Question 3 equals question 4 equals question 5 equals. Okay, so let's grab question 3. What's more important? Let's grab question 4. What's your favorite decade? And let's grab question 5. What's your favorite way to travel? All right, so now we have all of the questions in here. We can do question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. Oops, did I spell question 3? Okay, so now we have an array full of variables that represent the questions that are asked. And you can see that these basically have the same structure. So it could be something like, we do need to keep track of the responses, right? So what we could do is have responses equal, and we can just have them all be A. So 1, 2, 3, oops, 3, 4, 5. Because we know that we're going to default to A if they chose something other than A or B. And then what we can do is we can grab response. Oops, let's not change that quite yet. Actually, let's go ahead and just do it right below. Response equals input. And then this is where we need to grab from questions, for example, the first one. But I want to do this over and over again. So I'm going to create a loop, and this is going to repeat the coding instructions inside of the loop as many times as I request. So for example, I want to do something like for, let's say, index in range up to 5. What I want to do is I want to ask the question at position index. So the first time that I go through this loop, then I'm going to say index is 0. And I want the response to equal whatever the person responded to from the question at index 0, which is question 1, which is how would you like to spend your evening? Okay. And I'm going to do that 5 times from 0 through 4. And I'm going to have that response there. And then I need to make sure that I save that response, because right now it's just going to overwrite response. So I can have responses at index equals response. So basically what we're doing here is we have created 5 variables, questions 1 through 5. Each one of these represents this string, which asks a question and provides the answer choices. We saved those in this list or array called questions that has question 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We also have responses array that has a default value of A. And then we say for every single number from 0 through 5, not including 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what I want to do is get the response from asking the question at that position. So the first time I'm going to ask, how would you like to spend your evening? And that response is going to get saved at that same position in responses. Now I do want to do this check though. So let's go ahead and copy this, because before we save it, we want to ask the question. Let's get our tabbing correct. So we want to ask the question. If the response was A, we can still say nice choice. Otherwise, if it's B, we can say sounds fun. And then otherwise, we just have to say you must type A or B. And then here, we still just want to make sure that response equals A. Again, there are a number of ways we could do this, but I'm going to choose to do it this way. So this tiny bit of code right here can actually replace 58 lines of code. That's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's say you chose A. Oops. Because now we have a different choice. We have a different question being asked every time. So I'm going to go ahead and delete, all of these. Wow. All right. And then we do need to fix this later. So we haven't done that quite yet. But so far what we have is questions 1 through 5. We ask them all. We save all of the responses in these. And then we've looped through and gathered all of those. So this is the part that's actually asking the user for information. Now we do need to update these down here. So rather than activity, we know that activity is actually at responses at position 0. And we know job is at responses at position 1, value at position 2, decade at position 3, and travel at position 4. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out now. I'm going to lift this up a bit. And I'm going to say reading a book again. What's your dream job? I still get nice choice. That was A. Let's say B. I still get sounds fun. That's B. What if we put C in here? You must type A or B. Let's just say you chose A. So now we will have chosen money. Let's do B and let's do A. You're most like Max Lord. So again, I got 7 points with Max this time because I chose money instead of love. But we can see that that still worked. If we were to run it again and make sure that we chose the ones for Diana, A, B, A, B, we're most like Wonder Woman. So it still works. And again, if we were to choose something like puppy, we'll get, you must type A or B. Let's just say you chose A. Just like Max Lord. So that's just one way to optimize this code with a for loop that loops through the questions that you might want to ask and then puts the response in the appropriate place and then uses those down below. I imagine that there are lots of different ways that we could write this code though. So as you write this, I highly encourage you to try things out, look up new ways of writing Python code, engage with it in any way that you think makes sense. Try changing these up, have different questions that lead to different characters, maybe of your favorite show or of your friend group or something like that. Make it your own, have fun, and don't forget, whatever you make sure to tag me on Twitter. I want to see the different ways that you engage with this type of code. You can either use hashtag #LearnWithDrG or just tag me at Dr. Guthels. I want to see what you build. Thanks again for watching another episode of Learn with Dr. G, and happy coding.